All right, so it's going to be a winter weekend, not just because of the fact that temperatures are down nearly 25 degrees from just a couple of days ago, but now it's also the fact that we have winter precipitation to worry about. And yes, it is something to be taken seriously because roads, especially in the overnight hours, when they start to cool down near freezing, they will be collecting that snow. Now, throughout the day, roads are going to be fine. And that grassy surfaces will collect snow, maybe the bridges, the overpasses, cool surfaces, absolutely. But road pavement temperatures are going to be warm enough throughout the afternoon that whatever does fall on them pretty much melts on contact. But it's the early morning hours, especially right now. You see this swath that's kind of going through some of the eastern counties at this point, Lee down to Owsley, but then you've got this area right here that just went through Lexington, now sitting off to the east. So anywhere between Clark County and getting out towards Rowan, you go all the way up towards Mason into portions of southern Ohio. Yeah, these are moderate snow showers. So where you see that darker blue, there is likely some accumulation happening on those roads, especially the ones that are not being treated, those lower priority roads. But even the ones that are treated. When I was coming into work this morning, New Circle Road was getting snow, and it was collecting it pretty heavily. So they had the plows out, but it's not going to be every road. So just be aware that if you are traveling some of those rural county backcountry roads, they will have snow on them throughout the morning hours. You see another swath coming in, I-65 right now, all the way from Louisville down towards the Tennessee state line. Yeah, there are snow showers coming back into our area, so we're not finished. And it's going to be wave after wave. This is not going to be an all-day event. There will be times where it's just cold and cloudy, but then another wave comes through a little later on, brings in another batch. And the next batch is up here near Chicago, Milwaukee, getting into northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin. That will be coming our way shortly throughout the day today, more likely into the afternoon, but you get the picture. It's going to be several waves in a row because of just how much moisture and cold air this system is working with. You see these little troughs. Every time they come through, they deliver another punch of snow, light to moderate, scattered in nature, so it's not going to be everybody, but the ones that do get it have the snow likely to accumulate, especially in the overnight hours. And then our next system that will work through kind of in the Tuesday, Wednesday time frame, coming in, not going to deliver much to us. Really, the bulk of the activity will be over the course of the weekend. So you see that first batch going out by around 11, 12 o'clock today, noon. Everything should be just cloud coverage for most areas, maybe a few flurries here and there. But that second wave that's sitting up there in Illinois right now, it comes through kind of in the evening tonight, brings in another round of snow showers. And keep in mind that overnight tonight, those pavement temperatures, even on the main roads, getting down to freezing. So yes, there will be some snow showers, likely collecting some snow on the roadways for sure on those cold surfaces, bridges and overpasses. All need to be in your mind when you're traveling. Also keep in mind that if you get in the higher terrain above 1,500 feet, visibility now becomes an issue because of those low-lying cloud coverage. So that's why that winter weather advisory has been put into effect for those southeastern counties, because not only will it be snow accumulating on roadways, but now you're also talking about reduced visibility. So just take it slow. No reason to rush around, really no reason to get on the roads this weekend at all, if you don't have to be. But if you do, especially in the overnight hours, that is when hazardous conditions will be present on the roads. And you see those pavement temperatures getting down below freezing at times, especially in the overnight hours. And when those snow showers come through, even though it's not going to be represented on the models, there's still flurries at times, and that could collect. So between now and Monday, really Monday in the evening, you've got the bluegrass in eastern Kentucky, northeastern Kentucky, and northern Kentucky, all between that 1 to 2. Down south, the two southern parkways and down towards the Tennessee state line, you're looking at trace amounts and up to an inch. And then obviously the higher terrain, Pine Mountain, Black Mountain, those areas, 2 to 3 in those southeastern counties. So yeah, certainly not a huge snowfall event. It's going to be over the course of several days, but it is certainly things you want to watch out for, especially going into the latter part of the weekend, early part of next week. We take a break Tuesday, Wednesday. We get another round coming in Thursday and Friday with mostly rain on Thursday and then a few flurries coming through at the end of the day on Friday.